Ay, ito dito. Ready ka pa. Alright, kids, listen first. Ayan lang, sipantay. Bilawin ka. Ayan ang ating first game is that we call line up. Alright, paano nga ba yan? First step, mag-line po tayo like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, we need to turn around. Ikot po tayo ng chair. Then, shake, shake, shake. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then, ibabalik po natin yung mga cups. Then, give it to the next group. Alright, nakuha na po ba? Alright, katapos po ng mga players po natin, katapos po ng group po natin, kailangan po natin i-shout